Hi, you're about to experience a short SRT clearing on the fear of inflation. There's a lot of talk about inflation, which is when your money buys less than it has done. SRT, as some of you might know, is the short for subconscious release technique. It is an energy technique that quickly removes patterns and thoughts that are not particularly useful to you. In this instance, all you have to do is to follow my voice, and I will be saying something like this. Take a deep breath in, hold your breath, repeat silently after me, and I will say something, and then exhale. As I said before, just follow my voice. I'm going to release about 10 emotions connected with the fear of inflation and about 5 positive emotions connected with the fear of inflation. When we clear positive emotions connected with a pattern, it is because those emotions are not present enough in you, or maybe there is an excess of that emotion in connection with the pattern. After I clear, I'll be giving you 3 fillers. SRT call them fillers. The more common name is called affirmations. Shall we begin? Good. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat silently to yourself after me. I release all anger with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Good. Take a deep breath in again. Hold your breath and repeat silently to yourself the following. I release all confusion with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Take a deep breath in again. Hold, repeat. I release all disbelief with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Next, take a deep breath in. Hold, repeat. I release all dread with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I release all jealousy with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Good. Let's continue. Take a deep breath in again. Hold your breath. Repeat silently the following after me. I release all nervousness with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Again, take a deep breath in, hold your breath, and while you're holding your breath, repeat silently to yourself, I release all resentment with the fear of inflation. Once again, take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I release all stress with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Next, and the last of the negative emotions I'll be clearing. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat silently to yourself. I release all worry with the fear of inflation. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. In, out, in, and out. Now let's clear the positive emotions. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I release all blocks with hope, with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I release all nourishment with the fear of inflation. Exhale. Once again, take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I release all blocks with support, with the fear of inflation. Exhale. And the last one. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I release all blocks with trust, with the fear of inflation. Good. Now, just continue with slow breathing in and breathing out. In, out, in, out. Ready for some fillers? I'm going to give you 3. Good. Take a deep breath in, hold your breath, and repeat silently after me. I am so happy, grateful, and thankful that my supply is endless, inexhaustible, immediate, and comes to me in perfect ways. Exhale. Let's do it again. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I'm so happy, grateful, and thankful that my supply is endless. Breathe out. Once again, take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I'm so happy, grateful, and thankful that my supply is inexhaustible. Out. And for the last time, take a deep breath in. I'm so happy, grateful, and thankful that my supply is immediate and comes to me in perfect ways. Exhale. Good. Let's take the second filler. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I'm so grateful, thankful, and happy that I spend money under direct inspiration from the divine, wisely and fearlessly, knowing my supply is endless. Exhale. Let's do this again. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I am so happy, grateful, and thankful that I spend money under direct inspiration from the divine, wisely, fearlessly, knowing that my supply is endless. Exhale. And the last one. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I'm happy and grateful that money is flowing to me all the time. Exhale. And I think I'd like to do another one. Take a deep breath in, hold, repeat. I'm so happy, grateful, and thankful that the divine loves me. Exhale. Good. Just take a few deep breaths in and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. I hope you feel much, much better as far as inflation is concerned. Thank you for listening.